Cut the chicken into small cubes and fry in a pan with some oil until it changes color. Then add chopped onions, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and minced garlic, and sauté. Add sliced mushrooms and sauté for 5 minutes. Add tomato paste, salt, red pepper powder, and oregano, and sauté. Then add boiled chickpeas, and cook for another 5 minutes. Add 150 milliliters of boiling water, cover, and let it simmer for 5 minutes. For the sauce, melt butter in a saucepan, add flour, and sauté. Then add cold milk and keep stirring until it thickens. Season with salt, black pepper, and other spices, and stir for a short while. Then remove from heat. For the crepe batter, beat 2 eggs in a suitable bowl using a hand mixer. Then add vegetable oil, milk, and salt, and beat again. Finally, add flour and beat until the mixture is homogeneous. Heat a non-stick pan thoroughly and grease it slightly. Pour a ladle of crepe batter into it and spread it evenly so that it is uniform in thickness and not too thick. Cook the crepes on both sides. Place the cooled crepes in a soup bowl and add 1½ tablespoons of the prepared sauce and 3 tablespoons of the chicken mixture inside. Fold the edges tightly using a toothpick if necessary. Then arrange the crepe rolls on a baking tray and pour the remaining sauce over them. Sprinkle grated pizza cheese on top. Place the tray in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Enjoy your meal.